morning, my friends. Good morning. I'm staying here at the loading place in Toro. I want to say Toronto. No, it's rubbish. In Calgary. Well, have a look here. What's happened? The weather's okay. I stay here, and yeah, it's like a construction place. And they want to load me like styropors. And unfortunately, it doesn't fit. You know, my trailer is, the rolling top over there, and it's too high, the load. So, what means I can't close it. And what? Let me see what they want. What is they start loaded 4 feet back? Would I give enough room for the topping system? Wow. Slow, yeah. Yeah, I did try my thoughts to put a rolling top in one direction, to strap it and to drive without them, just to get a bloody load. So I don't know. I've got no idea what's happened now. I will see. It's not enough room, it's too wide. I can't see anything in the mirror really, and it's a lot of work to get that strapped up that is not moved in any direction. That is. Yeah, I'm not happy with that. You can damage as well because it's wobbling all the time, and it's expensive as well. So, but it's not my decision. It's not my decision what they want to do now. I will see. It's just what they did is the load is too high and too wide. Not too wide, but it's just too high. And it's 8 feet long. 8 feet long, so 4 feet. 4 feet for the top system is not enough. I will see, because the risk is what you are when you put it and you can't see in the mirror, and you are oversized. So if they catch me, just maybe, I don't know how that's always happened, but it can happen, of course. This is not. You don't have the measurements, but I don't know what was the offer or the bill of lading, what they have to carry. I don't know. I've got no idea. I got no idea. I will wait here and see what they said. Otherwise, it is a wonderful morning. Everything was good. I was really happy because they said I was the first one, but it's on time here. So yeah, it was actually a good start until they load the first. I saw it immediately. I will see what they decide now. I've got no idea. I'll let you know, of course. I'll let you all know what's happened. We see us later. Hi, just a quick update. Yeah, they're not gonna to load me. I was guessing that because the half load they're not taking it or they're not doing it, so I have to wait until my dispatch send me directions where I should go. So hopefully go to Edmonton, that direction, and maybe have a quick reset and loading on Friday. So that's what I hope. Yeah, but I don't know yet. It can happen all the time. So that sometimes it doesn't fit what you want to load, and the question is, may I go direction Winnipeg or I go direction Edmonton or I don't know, or Saskatoon or wherever, I don't know. Got no idea. I have a few hours left to drive, so actually today, if I'm not driving over midnight, I have around 11 hours to drive, so I can go quite far. We have a look on balcony. Maybe that's my target today. I don't know. It can be, So let me see how far that is. Yeah, that's possibility. 500 miles. That's possible. But we don't know. We don't know. Maybe going to Edmonton. Then we have only 3 hours driving and then finish and do a reset. I got no idea where it's going to. I have to wait now and then we will see. Unfortunately, I don't get a load here. I also understand it happens, but it doesn't fit, so what can I do? If it doesn't fit, it doesn't fit. Simple. Well, my friends, the Mario's back on the road, so I'm going to a little bit outside of Edmonton on the direction Saskatoon. Is somewhere in the woods, somewhere in a prairie, I don't know. I have to load some pipes for Newfoundland. What brings me straight away back home. That's okay. I like this. Maybe I'm going to Newfoundland. Who knows? Who knows? Normally I'm not, because the load is for my boss. But it's okay because you are mostly you have a lot of time on the ferry, so you don't make any mileage. So I don't know, 10 hours, 8 hours on the ferry. I don't know. Never been there. And then you're running a little bit Newfoundland, you're back on the ferry again, so you don't even have any mileage. It's okay. For the yard, it's all right. So I guess next Tuesday if all works, I'm back in the yard, and then I do maybe one load and do a reset afterwards. Or maybe I deliver directly, but it will be a little bit difficult with my reset, I guess. But anyway, we will see. It's not my concern yet. Now it's going up the north, out of Calgary, and then we turn. Oh, my phone went down. It's not good in a moment here. It is what it is. So my friends, all loaded. I'm going to, sorry, sometimes I mix up with German. Don't worry about that. It's, now I'm going to the truck stop. I made my decision. Usually I have 7 hour drive time, you know, but then I only can drive not the 7 hours, I can drive 4 hours. So that's not enough to, I may get to Saskatoon, but on this weather, you don't know. So what it is, I have 30 miles to going to Sherwood Park, you know. And I think it's the best idea to go, because Saskatoon I come late, so no space there. That's the other point. So I have to do a reset, and also I can start late on Friday, what makes it also not good. So it actually doesn't matter. So I go back to Edmonton and do my reset there and start Friday early, 5 o'clock. So that brings me in a comfortable rhythm, also for parking spaces when you stop after 13 hours. That's the best what I can do. It stopped snowing anyway. So Edmonton, no snow. Direction Saskatoon is the snow. So I'm not sure even I can reach that truck stop before midnight in New Brunswick, and that makes it easier to decide, really, you know. So I have a little weight on the axles, not too much, but enough to not struggling in the snow. But icy here, very icy, icy roads. We are in the winter still. I'm right here. I guess so. So 30 miles and then I'm already there. So, and then also it's 5 o'clock. I get a good parking space as well. Because I know last time when I went to Saskatoon was late, was 9 o'clock. So I only had reserved parking. So that cost me $24 or $25 for two nights. No, don't have to. Welcome back after the reset. So I got my reset done and had a little problem in the morning. That was my low beam doesn't work and my daylight doesn't work, so I have to go to like a garage, you know. Was a small garage, but people very nice in there, and they immediately pay attention to the truck, and I have to drop the trailer. Of course, you have to do that. I went in the garage and they fixed it. The light was a broken wire. Because it was working in the morning when I check it, you know, before I go on pre-trip, I usually do a check for actually, so when I start the engine, so I check the tires, stuff like that, to see is anything wrong, you know. So I did this and everything works. So I said, okay, that's perfect. I can start with a pre-trip. So then I went from the pre-trip to the fuel station, what is not far away, but you have to go there. You have to go back on the main road and go back in the entry, and then go in and go for fuel. So I did this. Yeah. So, and then I pick up fuel and did everything what you have to do. After I turned in the front, you know, I saw the low beam is not working. So I checked for contacts, you know, and give them a little wobbling, you know, right left, like you do usually when you maybe it's a little issue, or the bulb doesn't work or whatever, but it's a special light anyway. So, and nothing comes. So then I try the daylight, you know, but the daylight also works only on the left side. The high beam works on the right side. So okay, the daylight and the low beam are connected separate. That's what I saw. So, and then what I did, so I pick up fuel and then call our company. So they said, okay, no, we have a truck. I find out there's a 2 truck service center close by, and they can do that. And then I went to one and they fixed it. It was a broken wire, and but all is good now. So I'm on my way on the snowy way. It was snowing the last 1.5 days. Last night completely snowing. In the morning, snowing. And now it's just stopped a little bit, but I saw direction Saskatoon is it's now where the snow is. So direction Winnipeg. Where else it will go? It only goes direction Winnipeg. That is my target today, Winnipeg, but and that road condition I may have to turn off in Brandon or a little bit or Portage maybe. Portage is a possibility today. Portage up Prairie. That maybe is a target today, but you know, I don't know yet. You can see it himself. It looks a little bit. This lane is okay, the other lane not. So if snow comes again, everything will slow down, I guess. So don't know. We will see. The time will tell. Well, what can I say? Got on my cooked. Saw a little break in Hearst. Little break in Hearst, my friends. I'm just checking the situation on the weather, but it doesn't matter really because it's shit anyway. No, all is good. All is good. I'm not that. You know me. Weather is weather. So they moved the rubbish back where we work until tomorrow morning, then I get it empty. So this is my food for the road. So I have my coffee still, yeah. We have that. Check everything. Somebody wrote me. No. No messages. All is good. Well, getting things done. I'm heading out now again, so I put a little bit wish water in because the road is not that nice, believe me. You will see it in the kind of music what I put soon, you know, because I'm going now through Hearst. And hopefully everything will work. Off duty 1 minute more, then I have at least a half hour in. At least a half hour. Yeah, my lights was still full of ice and I just cleaned them up. I think I have to stop again to clean them up before it's getting dark today. Because you know, in the darkness, if the light's not working, I had it yesterday, that's not really nice. Anyway, my friends, heading out, we're going closer to home. Okay, it's not close because this night and another night, so 2 nights more. Yeah, tonight and tomorrow night, and then yeah, we'll be arrived Tuesday afternoon something. Yeah, Tuesday night. We'll see. Okie dokie. Then see you later. Still Wonderland, still winter. Yeah, I still carry on my journey. So, and I already passed Cochrane. So off the ice route now, direction to the south, to North Bay, with a little quick stop in New Liscard on the Husky, because I need to clean my lights before it's getting dark, so that I see something while I'm driving. Yesterday was a little bit was not so good, but I didn't have the opportunity to stop really to clean them up. And there was also icy rain, so I got just packed of ice, the lights, so nothing to see really. So even I had my high beams on, so nobody give me a sign that I have high beams on, you know. So then you can imagine how dirty they was, and there was really full packed of ice. I don't know, 5 millimeters or more packed on ice, you know. Icy roads yesterday.